In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel to automate your business operations effectively. We'll dive into setting up your CRM pipeline and building workflows that will save you time and streamline your processes. Let's get started by exploring the CRM pipeline setup, which is essential for tracking your leads effectively as they progress through your sales process. To begin, setting up your CRM pipeline is crucial for managing your sales process and ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. In GoHighLevel, you'll want to create distinct stages that represent each phase of your sales journey. This will allow leads to move seamlessly from one stage to the next, based on their interaction with your business. For example, a typical pipeline structure might include stages like new lead, contacted, appointment booked, proposal sent, and finally either won or lost. By clearly defining these stages, you'll be able to have a clear visual overview of where each lead stands in your sales process, making it easier to prioritize your efforts and ensure timely follow-ups. Moving forward, let's talk about building workflows. Workflows in GoHighLevel are the heart of your automation strategy, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks so you can focus on what truly matters, connecting with your clients. To set up workflows, navigate to the automation section and select workflows. Here you'll be able to construct workflows using a simple yet powerful structure. A trigger, followed by conditions, and finally actions. The trigger acts as the starting point for your workflow, be it a new lead entering your system or an appointment being scheduled. Once the trigger is in place, you can set conditions that further refine the automated process, such as the specific details that determine whether a lead fits into one path or another within your workflow. Once the conditions are defined, you can assign actions to automatically engage with your client or update your CRM, for instance, sending confirmation emails or notifying your sales team to follow up. Remember, the key to successful automation with GoHighLevel is in thoughtful planning and clear understanding of your sales process. As you build your CRM pipeline and workflows, take the time to map out each stage and interaction comprehensively. This way, you ensure that every potential customer receives the attention they need at the right time, and nothing gets overlooked. Also, don't hesitate to iterate and refine your pipeline and workflows over time as your business grows and your processes evolve. Automation is not a one-size-fits-all, and might need tweaking to best fit your unique business needs. With this newfound understanding, you're now equipped to transform how you handle leads with GoHighLevel, making your business operations not only more efficient, but more effective. Thanks for joining me, and good luck automating your way to greater successes.